G'day, welcome to Todd's Kitchen. This bar recipe is incredibly simple to make, literally 3 ingredients, takes just a few minutes to prepare, and it's also very healthy for you too. It's paleo, vegan, gluten-free and keto friendly. And the best thing is it tastes fantastic, so join me today as I make my version of 3 ingredient coconut bars. Okay, so this is how simple and easy it is. 3 simple ingredients. So into a mixing bowl I'm going to place in 3 cups worth of shredded coconut. Next I'm going to use some coconut oil. Now depending on the current room temperature, it could be hard, could be soft, but we want to use soft to melted. So I'm just going to pour that straight in. And that already smells delicious. I love that coconut oil smell. And for our final ingredient, I'm going to add some maple syrup. Now you can use regular if you like, but I'm trying to keep this sugar free. And this is the alternative I'm using to keep this healthy and sugar free. But you can use any type of sweetener that you like. So you can use a sugar version if you like, or you can use a non-sugar version. So we're just going to pour in a 1/4 cup of our sugar-free maple syrup. And no special equipment needed, just get in there with a spoon, give it a good mix until it's completely combined. Okay, so once mixed, we're going to place it into just any type of tray really. Now this one I've greased, coincidentally, with some cooking spray oil that is coconut based. Or you can use some parchment paper, whatever you prefer. And just compact it down until it's nice and firm. Now there's no size on this, so no size limit, so you can have it twice as thick if you like, a little bit thicker, so you can use twice the amount of ingredients. It's completely up to you, because it's not being baked, it just needs to set in the fridge. Okay, so we're just going to seal it up, place it in the fridge for a good hour or so to completely set, and then it's ready. And there we have our 3 ingredient no-bake coconut bars. Now they're very simple to slice up, and I do highly recommend that you keep them in the fridge, especially on a warm day. If it's a cold day, they'll be fine at room temperature. Because it mostly does come down to the coconut oil, because on a cold day, it'll easily stay firm, but on a warm day, it's just going to melt. So as long as you keep them below room temperature, they'll be fine. But most importantly, they're going to taste simply delish.